Open a workbook with Xlwings without making it visible. I am starting to use Xlwings, not that I like Excel at all, but it is something I have to do. The thing is that I cannot find the way to make Python open a workbook without showing it. It seems the constructor for workbooks in the old Xlwings 0.6.4 was Xlwings.workbook, and one of the arguments was a flag app_visible, see this URL. However, in the new version 0.9.2 workbook has been replaced by book, and book does not have any such flag, this URL. The app object does have it, and I thought that was the way to go. So I coded. But, regrettably, when is executed, the visible attribute of app suddenly becomes true, and the book is shown. I do not know if this is a desired feature or an unexpected behavior. Anyway, any ideas how should I do it?
Here is my working code fragment.
Since version 0.24.3, where with xw.app, column is implemented, the idiomatic way is. The advantage of this is that there won't be any hidden Excel processes left over in the background, if you use a hidden instance and your code fails.
You can also try #corrected typo.
You could try with open, for example.
This works for me.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.